Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. The government is embarking on an ambitious program to have every household connected to the internet by 2025. Energy and Technology Minister Daryl Vaz gave details on the National Broadband Initiative at a press conference today. Anthony Lugg has the story.
The COVID-19 pandemic has brought to light, among other things, the digital divide across the island. The cries have been plenty, particularly from those in rural communities. In Parliament on Tuesday, Technology Minister Daryl Vaz noted that the government is looking to secure $237 million for the rollout of the country's National Broadband Initiative. At a press conference on Tuesday, Mr. Vaz delved a bit deeper.
It will cost 20 to 35 million US to bring connectivity to unserved and underserved areas. This will contribute to the deployment of more than 1,500 kilometers of optical fiber as an immediate response in light of COVID-19.
He noted that this aspect of the rollout will ensure continued learning for the student population, adding that it's a key part of the government's economic recovery effort.
The last mile deployment to the community centers, police stations, health centers, local municipalities is estimated to cost between 40 million and 100 million US dollars. This deployment will have a social focus with the aim of connecting not just public institutions, but Jamaicans in every nook and cranny.
Without broadband penetration to a critical mass, the efficiency and competitiveness of our economy suffers, and Jamaica will continue to flounder along with our low growth rate, averaging 1% for decades.
Michael Lee Chin is the chairman of the National Broadband Task Force.
This national broadband project is, as Keith just mentioned, is the single most important project we as a country have embarked on to secure our future, to improve the quality of life of our children and grandchildren.
But already, questions have been raised about whether there will be a public tender for the digital transmission and distribution of the broadcast network being contemplated by the government.
Yeah, there will be a public tender on the construction of the digital broadcasting system. It will be an open process.
We intend, after our meeting with Digicel on Friday, to bring all persons, all sector interests within the technology space to meet with us, to hear what the challenges are, what probably the vision is, where people see themselves contributing, and see how we take it forward.
Mr. Vaz argues that the consultations are to ensure there's transparency throughout the process.
So we are in a consultative mode and a collaborative mode where we are transparent in terms of what our plans are and taking on board suggestions from them and see how we can work together.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.